Just headers. Fucking crazy. Oh shit. Bob. That's fucking loud as shit. Hey, it's Alex SBT, man. Shit, we got a Whipple on here. So we got an SVT Cobra here, fucking always fire. We got a Super Snake. Now this guy's fast as fuck. Now we got a biker crew. I don't know if that's a billet truck or not. We got another HR car here. It's a Hyundai Genesis Hood Trophy Z. Oh shit, LS3 Mario, Nardo Gray. That's fucking sick. Then we got my boy with the red Marrow. This is wannabe ZL1. He's not a ZL1. This guy was a guy powered by the Powerade last time. And then we got Lucifer here. And I cannot help but like fucking see this yellow, and it's so sick. Kind of looks like Mike Street Speed 717's Corvette. It's fucking fire. It's like one of the best. I mean, we got Alfa Romeo. Really sick fucking car. And check out this engine bay in this Super Snake right here. Oh my god damn, I think that thing just opened fucking headers. Holy fuck. Sheesh, alright. This is fucking, I believe this is a 1,000 horsepower Super Snake. Look how fucking meaty the tires are. It's fucking crazy. God damn. This is fucking... Alright, there's one car in specific. Shit. God. Jesus fucking Christ. This is a fucking rally truck. That's fucking sick. That's a fucking sick build right there. Definitely a sick build. This is R32 Golf. Fucking, I think this is like probably the third Hellcat Red I've seen in Bakersfield. Didn't really see that much. We got the Z01 Camaro here. It's fucking loud as shit. HEADTURNERS made a good ass fucking entrance in today. This is a fucking scat pack. Oh, Chevy chick. Probably one of the loudest Camaros in Bakersfield. Sick girl on this Camaro. And check out these cars. Now, these people are like, I don't know, they're like family or something, but like they have two sick cars. We got another HT. This is really sick. This is not a real cop car, obviously, but really sick fucking build. You guys can see right here, HT badge. Look how low this thing is too. This thing fucking comply or die. Mapa guy. I believe this is. Oh, god dang. Okay, so we got a new glass skin. Where you going, buddy? Oh man. Jesus Christ. God damn. Jesus Christ. A fucking supercharger. Look how fucking girthy it is.